We are now at Cheltenham Badlands. Going in. This is the parking enforce, and just the attention, this is being monitored by the surveillance. Yeah, we're going now to the Badlands. It's a parking lot there. So we have to register. We start a 1.5 hour. So we leave at 12:30 here. Still wearing a mask. I think I have to remove now. And I'm ready to go. Tanggalin ko na yung mask ko. Mas comfortably ako. Hi guys!
Hello. We're identifying plants.
So that's the one we have to register there.
Yeah, Teddy registered.
So this is the one, the Tree Shore and Cautionary Tale, Cheltenham Badlands. So this is the one, right there. That is look like.
Yeah, hey, Christmas camouflage. Let's go.
This is the one you clean up your shoes. So now this is one way going in.
You okay? I don't want to fall. At the perfect opportunity.
We are the bushes. We're out nowhere.
You see me, Mag? You see me? Barely.
Hi, Mag. No, we don't.
Oh no!
Kung mauna.
Yeah.
What's out the bridge?
Bridge. Bridge. This is very nice. Yeah. See? You go ask anak.
Gonna work here?
Please. I know how to sell clothes. Huh? I can work here.
You're gonna become freaking.
You wanna sell clothes? There's no clothes here to sell.
Yours and free. Is it better?
Are you okay so far, Nick? You're not slowing down or
You're like
anything?
stomping.
We're going on the mountain.
What is this doing?
Huh?
Malayo-layo rin to Pero mo 1 hour and 30 minutes tayo maglakad.
Memo. I know. The bugs are gonna eat that. You're like, whoa, what's this party drug?
Ganyan para makita nila yung mukha mo.
What is
Ayan.
That's so funny.
Remember Ate Keisha? Ate Keisha had her photo shoot here. Inside, yeah, inside those.
So I have a camera then.
We can't go there, not allowed.
Inside?
You know, yeah, you're not allowed in that anymore.
Oo.
I think you have
I think meron na silang pens.
you have to ask permission to go there, yeah.
It's because it's a natural area.
Yeah.
And humans always ruin it.
Yeah. Nick, you okay? I'm not. My legs are starting to get tired.
Don't trip on anything.
O yan na naman.
There yet.
Ito na naman yung braids natin.
Whoa, keep it.
Wow. Oh no. Did really that take an hour and a half to go up there?
What?
An hour and a half.
It takes an hour and a half to walk.
Oh yeah,
That's hilarious.
that's true.
Look at the sand, man.
I know.
Yes, it's as color as the thing.
So rough.
Yeah.
It's steep, but it comes.
Ate mo. Siya po sa aray. Woo!
Yeah.
Hey, can you push my bum? Ah!
Okay, there's a two-way here.
No.
Center Bros Trail or going to left.
Here's the oncoming.
This is one way. Yeah.
Wait, I don't know which one is
What?
the one of the. Is it?
So that way?
Yeah, you're right. This way.
Only one way lang. Ano?
No, there's two ways.
Oh, what's that one then? That's all we're gonna see? The one that we saw there?
Yeah, no, make it
We're
way to
already
Scarborough
done.
Bluffs. Scarborough Bluffs.
We already saw the land. Now we just
Yes.
How long does it take?
Hindi pa ako pinawisan eh.
Ang bilis nilang maglakad. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse you. May haas kaya dito?
Meron yan.
Whoa, which way do we go? Ah. It's like
Buti na lang kumain ako. Sarap mag-barbecue dito ah.
Hey. Oh, we have to go back that way, the same way?
Yeah.
What? No.
No, one way nga sa kabila.
No. I hope the other one short is going back.
But limited lang ang tao papunta rito.
They have to.
It is open.
I know. You're right, Mother. At least I wore the shoes on an orange tree. Oh, the orange tree.
Almost there. Lapit na.
Flowers, flowers.
Yeah.
What are you
Okay,
doing?
the door is open.
This is a nice walk. Yesterday I started to come walk with me. But we didn't end up walking. No, we went to the bar. No,
Twice.
the other day.
We sleep at 2 o'clock.
And then we didn't
Then we wake up 4 o'clock to walk.
and then this morning.
My God.
And then
Then we go laba.
this morning the school
Ah,
at 7:30. What? 7:30 already? That's good.
oh, there we go. Dito na. Ito ang pinakamangha-mangha na matunghayan natin ang Badlands.
Kasi bigla dito, Bruce, kayo.
Yan.
So this is the out. They
Whoa.
covered it.
You cannot go in.
You can't.
Wanna take a picture,
Oh my
Mag?
gosh. That's scary.
I thought it was bigger.
Yeah, it is on that side.
You wanna take a picture, Mag?
Ah, let's take a picture over there. Nasaan na ibang mga nakita natin? That's where we went, right?
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
It's nicer from that side, but you can see all of it.
I think I'm gonna go on that side instead. This is so steep.
Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Lakad-lakad muna bago picture. Photo shoot.
They're grasshoppers.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We're eating that grasshopper. Wow.
Oh, meron ba
Gamitin
pala?
mo yung cellphone mo.
What? Hindi na. Why?
Ito.
Why? Hindi na, no. Hindi na, di. Bakit?
Oh. Pwedeng kwan doon, maglakad sana.
No. Not allowed.
Why? You have to. Pupunti.
Ah!
Yeah. This one way.
So that's the way going out then. Yeah. Isn't that? That's nice.
We are at Badlands. That's live mug.
Ay,
Ano?
wala na pindot.
Okay. Uy. Thumbnail. Tayo dito. Hapa na yun. Ano ito namin?
$12.30 raw daw tayo.
Uh-huh.
Want to take a picture?
Yeah, please. No, I'm not gonna do it. Try to do it on my own, but I can't.
I think so. Come on, Mom. Yay.
I want to touch it.
Yeah, you know, me too. What if it's
Okay,
like
like
soft?
this. Go there.
All of us?
Yeah.
Look at my pics. Oh,
Hi.
You're so cute. I try to do it as I said. That's how mom takes pictures at work.
Parang nasa Mars nga tayo, no?
What can we do to protect it?
See?
Let's go. Don't stand on it, right?
Oh, severe erosion forming steep gully ridge
Yeah.
topography.
What can you do to protect the Cheltenham Badlands for the future?
Eyes are getting sensitive.
Today, the site is a stunning example of severe erosion, forming steep gully ridge topography. Although these badlands were created by surface exposure, weathering, and erosion, further soil erosion
Wow, it's decreased.
threaten the future. The ridge shale of the Cheltenham Badland is very susceptible for the natural process of rainfall erosion. Oh,
I wonder what it looks like in the 70s.
I know.
70s? It said it was 3 meters thicker. Oh yeah.
That is just cactus.
Can I get some? Can I get some? The dirt or the soil? I can hold.
Oh. Here, take a picture.
Yeah, I can touch now. There we go. I can touch.
That's Dad.
Happen. Here, take a here, just take a picture for Mom.
Ayan.
Wow.
Ayan, picture tayo. Yan ang thumbnail natin.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Hurry up.
Oh, yan ang pagka-umuwi ka na.
Let's take a picture there.
Yeah, we can one here muna.
This is our but the sun is here too.
Yeah. Ito muna tayo. Yeah.
Gee.
Okay, dito.
I love you. Where is it?
Oh, 450 million years ago na pala ito eh. Look at this. So amazing.
On my hand, my finger. Is that an eagle, Nico?
What's that? Eagle.
Badlands.
Holy cow!
Over there, but this is all there is.
Most of the North America was covered by a shallow tropical sea. This ancient Ordovician sea was full of early life that lived on the muddy bottom and among the coral reefs. We can touch.
Iron rich mud and sand.
Ooh, it's nice road. We are at Caledon area. Wow. Andun pa sila. You're almost there. What is that?
I'm identifying. That's called pearly dock.
Magandang pasyalan dito. Magandang magpapawis. Ayan. Yan, we're almost there. 11:36, wala pang alas 12 ah. We have 30 minutes more.
We can do it two more times. We can go around 2 more times.
Yeah, this is open at 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.